With the new spike of COVID cases ruining plans and throwing our lives into uncertainty once again, it's safe to say we're all experiencing pandemic fatigue. Imagine how bad it is for our frontline healthcare workers bracing for another extremely busy holiday season. On top of that, some hospital workers are getting abuse from the people they're trying to help. News 8's Tim Blodgett has the story.
While it's safe to say that the pandemic has put incredible strain on everyone this year, no one has endured more than our frontline healthcare workers. For almost 2 years, doctors, nurses, EMTs, and all other staff have worked long nights and early mornings, short-staffed with a hospital at capacity, caring for patients infected with the deadly virus. Last year, San Diegans were praising healthcare workers from their balconies. But as the pandemic continued to grind on, attitudes about the virus, vaccines, and masks are being taken out on medical workers.
Well, there have been some very hostile people, that flat out said that they refused to wear their masks, and we were making this all up, and that COVID was a fantasy.
Scripps Health President and CEO Chris Van Gorder says his staff has seen an increase of physical and verbal abuse from hospitalized and angry waiting room patients.
It's picking up significantly. There are a lot more people that are coming in the hospitals with anger frustrations, and I think our people now they're to be honest with you, they're fed up.
That individual actually pulled out from his bags a knife and began to brandish the knife, wanting to be seen.
Anthony Roman is the director of support operations and oversees security at Scripps Health. He's seen a huge increase of threats against hospital staff.
Through September and compared to the year prior, I've seen a 17% increase in reported workplace violence incidents.
We're currently in another spike of the agonizingly long pandemic. While we might be frustrated by the way the virus is changing our lives, healthcare workers have been put under enormous stress, and the last thing they need is the hate and vitriol from the people they've sworn to protect.
We're trying to help them get better. We care about them deeply. To get angry, to try to bully, to try to intimidate, to throw things around and to physically assault is not okay.
Tim Blodgett, News 8.